Hey everyone, it's the second day. I've packed everything. मैं नीचे जा रहा हूँ बस ब्रेकफास्ट करने. मेरे को बहुत आराम से बात करनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी साउंड प्रूफ नहीं है रूम्स. कुनाल could hear my bucket filling up in the bathroom for the bath. So I slept well. I slept for around 9 hours, which is really good. बहुत deep sleep आई थी. However, today is a very important day. मैं last 2-3 कॉम से बहुत seriously ले रहा था 3x3 को and I feel like I've been messing up a lot. But I do care about this event no matter how much I try not to. And today is an important day. I have 3 rounds of 3x3. So my goal for today is to focus not on breaking a record, not on getting a particular time, just focus on being in the moment, focusing on the scramble that is given to me, focusing on my inspection and solving well. That's it. No particular goal in mind today. Let's head down, eat breakfast, and head to the comp. See you there. Rocking the 491 hoodie from 2 years back. It's coming back soon, guys. Watch out for it. We are leaving for the comp.
No, there's this one.
3x3 Group 1 is starting right now. So I am with Argi.
Yes. No. Arghya.
Arghya. So 3x3 round 1 is about to start. What are your expectations in this?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Great Elan. What are your expectations of 3x3? गाइस हम सबको पनिशमेंट में खड़ा कर दिया है यहाँ पे. Guys, this guy says NR. I hear NR. We are not the same, bro. Thumbnail, please. Hello.
Yeah, how do you find time to edit these?
By 2 round 1 group 1.
I am a 2x2 main.
I have big monster energy.
And big boy Shrey.
Yeah. Yeah. Who fucking cares about this event?
हरकत हो गई कुछ.
क्या हो गया?
ये देखो इन्फ्लुएंसर कहीं कुछ किसी के साथ बुरा होता है आ जाते रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए.
कंटेंट है हमारे लिए. एवरीथिंग इज
लोग नहीं चाहिए इस देश में.
बोलो बोलो. छपरी बोल दिया यार. देखो छपरी बोल दिया गाइस. मैं नहीं चाहूँगा भाई.
जो 2018 का मेथड यूज करते हैं. Get away from the competitor.
12
अच्छा ठीक है रैपिड इन माय फेस ब्रो क्या है क्यों रहा है
रबिट इन माय फेस ब्रो गंदे थॉट बोल लिया
12
guys the boss man is here the one who took us to the legendary pizza place 2 months later he's back and we are going to have that pizza again today
क्या हैंड जेस्चर
आ गए हम DCC बेस्ट पिज्जा हियर
अच्छा हाँ यू वर
Guys, we are doing head to head finals. Yes sir. इस बंदे ने मना नहीं किया, thank God. Obviously नहीं करूँगा मैं. Is it? I get to go against the goat and beat me. You will, I mean. That's what I'm saying. So we guys are waiting here outside. The finals are happening inside this room, and it's been a good com so far. Hoping for a decent 3x3 average in the finals. I hope I don't choke. I'm going against this guy right here. And he's chilling. I am chilling. So let's see. कैसा लग रहा है? Head to head finals के लिए कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm feeling excited. Also, I'm going up against this guy and it's going to be tough.
But for you, it's a redemption arc.
Yes, sir.
You got this. All the best.
To DNF this time.
Yes. Let's go.
Second place we have Arghya Shravas and at first place we have Aryan Chawda.
So this is the final round of the competition 3x3 finals. मैं बहुत chill लग रहा हूँ उसमें, but I was actually a little nervous, even though the audience was not that big. And the finals didn't really go well. Just इस round से पहले मैंने अपना जब cube submit किया था, मुझे पता नहीं था कि head to head finals होने वाले हैं. And मैंने अपने cube में थोड़ी सी loop डाल दी थी. And when I got my cube in the final round, the first solve, the cube was very very slow. And जैसे जैसे मैंने solve करा, उसकी speed बढ़ती गई. Yes, I am giving an excuse for my terrible performance in the finals, but honestly, I could have done a lot better. But the cube was just not working well in the final round, and also the scrambles were really, really bad. Even Kunal did quite bad for his standards. Both of us ended up getting an 8 average. Obviously, काफ़ी बुरा लगा था क्योंकि first 2 rounds में at least sub 8 average तो आ गई थी, and I was leading in both the rounds by quite a bit. So final round was a little disappointing, but कोई बात नहीं. थोड़ा cube भी next time I need to make sure that the setup is correct before the final round happens. The last solve had a terrible scramble. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही थी क्या करूँ, and I think I was pretty pissed at my solves already. I ended up doing a ZBLL and also getting a +2. So it was a very funny final round for me.
Aryan got. Okay, if you have any feedback or suggestion, you can give. Please come on the stage and if you have audio available feedback. Okay.
The organizers took the feedback very well, and I think they will definitely improve their competitions, even though this was a very well organized one. And this was a very cute moment that Shrey had with his dad during the prize distribution ceremony.
The final event of our day, 3x3. At second runner-up, we have Arghya Shravas. Finally! Runner-up for the 3x3 category is Aryan Chawda. Category and the winner of Bit Kalani Cube from 2025 is Kunalo.
मेरा फोन यहाँ पे था।
मुझे पता था
अब तूने बोला था मैंने खोल लिया.
नहीं you were going to do it, just say it.
नहीं, एक ही है। एक
Okay,
हम यहाँ
I was
बैठ
going to do
आप
it.
बैठ तो नहीं गए, हम बैठ गए क्या?
I know.
So we are having dinner at Hotel
जाना किंग का खाना. It's their tagline.
चाय आ चुकी है. मेरा छठा का बहुत दिन का है आज का.
अरे
हो गए 2 दिन में.
किसके पास था?
अभी भी
Food is here. हम सब लोग इसमें से ही खा रहे हैं. जल्दी जल्दी टेस्टिंग हो रही है. गाइस, लंबा सफ़र करके मैं बोटैनिकल गार्डन पहुंच चुका हूँ. अब बस मैं कैब ऑटो करके घर निकलूँगा. बहुत ठंड है. दिल्ली में भी बहुत ठंड हो गई है. उधर भी बहुत ठंड थी. एंड या very tiring day, but about to reach home and excited to meet Leo as usual. Leo! Hey everyone, so I was just editing this vlog and I wanted to record an outro. So the competition went very well. It was very fun. I did not win my main event, but that is okay. And also I think दिस वॉज अ वेरी कंप्लीट व्लॉग बिकॉज मैंने जितना रिकॉर्ड कर सकता था ना किया इस कॉम्पिटिशन में. आई रिकॉर्डेड ऑल ऑफ माई सॉल्व्स विच आई नेवर डू and I feel like that is why my 3x3 went bad. But apart from that, I think recording a lot of footage was a good idea. Plus, I used to vlog नीचे से पहले, but I started vlogging थोड़ा camera ऊपर रख के, which is also, I think, one improving my overall confidence for vlogging, and it makes my videos look a little better. My next vlog is not going to be a competition vlog. It will be a very scenic, beautiful vlog because I'm going for a trek. 5 days का trip है. I'll be recording everything, hopefully, and taking you guys through the entire journey, and that is why it will be a very scenic vlog. जिनने मेरा कश्मीर वाला vlog देखा है और शिलोंग वाला vlog देखा है, specifically that Shillong tour वाला part, it will be similar to that but minus the competition part. I'll maybe carry a cube with myself and carry a cube with me, whatever grammar की ऐसी. So I'll carry a cube with me and I'll solve at the topmost point of that trek. So 1-2 सेकेंड का क्यूबिंग का पार्ट इंक्लूड कर दूंगा, बट इट विल बी अ नॉन क्यूबिंग व्लॉग. इट विल बी वेरी फन एंड दैट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट इज कमिंग. होप यू गाइज आर एंजॉइंग द व्लॉग्स. आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी एज कंसिस्टेंट एज आई कैन. आई एम ट्राइंग टू improve on my vlogging skills. So yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. See you soon, very soon, in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.